Hello everyone, my name is Hannah. I'm 11 years old and I'm from South Korea. Nice to meet you. Today I'm going to talk about in the sky. Look out of the window and look at the sky. What can you see? I think you might see stars, a moon, and even a spacecraft. But you can see some special and unique things out of the space. Now, let's discover more about in the sky with me. Chapter 1 The Sky. Look at the sky and the day. What can you see here? I think you can see a bright sun or a blue or sky blue sky and many beautiful clouds. And also you can see some birds, planes, and many other things at the sky. Sometimes you can see a beautiful rainbow when it is sunny and rainy both. And what colors and how many colors can you see in a rainbow? And this is a picture of a space, sky, and spacecraft. The spacecraft goes to sky and out of the space. Out of the space, it is very dark and very big. Chapter 2 At Night. Opposite to the bright day, at night the sky is very dark and special. You can see a moon. Moon is a big ball of rock. Sometimes you can see a round and big moon. It is called a full moon. And also sometimes you can see different shape like a nail. It is called a crescent moon. And not only moon, you can also see beautiful stars. Stars are big and hot ball of fire, but it look very small, small, little, or cute because they are far away out of the space. Sometimes you can see also planets too. Can you see? Chapter 3 The Sun. Do you know sun is not a planet, it is a star. Sun is our star, so you can see stars. And we live in the planet called Earth. It orbits around the sun. And the sun is a very helpful star in our planet. It gives us planet a light, so it can make our planet warm and bright. But it is not good to look at the sun long time. So it's not good for your eyes. The sun is very, very hot. So it can make our planet to live here, to live in. And do you know, this is a solar panel and this is the light of the sun. The light of the sun help us to make energy. So because it shines on the solar panel. Chapter 4 Day and Night. Did I say before, sometimes the sky is a very bright day and sometimes it's very dark, it's night. Because the earth spins. When your planet, when the country you live in, it is day when the sun is look, but it is night when it is not looking at your country. So, and the earth turns, so it is day and night again. This is the picture of a day, and this is the picture at night. Some people might think it is much bright than today because people make light with electricity and candles at night. It is dark or bright when you go to bed. Chapter 5 Stars. You can see stars color like orange, red, yellow, or white. And also you can see constellations. It is means that's the pattern of the stars. And also you can see more stars with a telescope. This is a picture of a Hubble Space Telescope. You can take photos of stars so you can see it. And this is a galaxy. It is made of lots of stars in one galaxy. And our galaxy is called the Milky Way. And do you know? All stars can't live forever, and they die, but there are new stars too. Chapter 6. Planets. This is the picture of a solar system. There are sun at the center of solar system, and 8 planets orbit to the sun. There are 8 planets called Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All planets are all different. Jupiter is the biggest planet of the solar system, and Mercury is the smallest planet at the solar system. And also, the Venus is hottest, and the Uranus is coldest planet of in the solar system. And also, Saturn has 7 rings. And many planets have moons. Moons. And the moon orbits to the planet. This is a picture of the Earth. This is a moon called the moon. It orbits to the Earth. And some planets, like Saturn, has almost 60 moons. Chapter 7. On the moon. Did you see the surface of the moon? On the moon, there is many dust and many rocks. And also there can be tall mountains and big holes called crater. There is no light. It is black all around because there is no sky. But in the day, it is very hot, and at the night, it is very cold. And this is a picture of an astronaut. Astronauts can go to the moon with tank and the space chute. This astronaut can breathe with this tank. Do you know? This is a picture of a footprint for a million years. It is still there because there is no wind to blow away at the moon. And last, Chapter 8, Into Space. This is a spacecraft and this is a space station. Astronauts can go into space and also they can live in space. This is a picture of an astronaut that stays in the space station. There is enough food and water on the space station, so they look at many planets and discover about it. And also the spacecraft can go to space without people. They take pictures and send it to astronauts, so astronauts can see it and discover it, so learn about it. And maybe one day at the future, we can also go to the space too. Now this book is done. I think you have fun and learn more about in the sky with me. So I'm very thankful to you. Bye bye!